Hello friends, in this tutorial I'll be walking you through how to open a file using Python, and then we will read the lines which are there inside a file. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So few basic things which we need to know before we get into opening the file is what you want to do with that file, whether we want to open that file just to read the content, or we have a blank worksheet or a blank file where you want to write something to it, or you have something already there in that particular file and we are trying to append this specific data to that. So in this tutorial I'll restrict myself to just open a file and read the lines from there. Okay, so the first thing is, so these are the syntax or these are arguments. So if you want to read the file, you have to just type R. To write, it's W, and A for append. So let me create a variable fn equal to open. So there are four arguments that we need to consider. First thing is we need to provide the file name with the full path, right? Followed by the mode. Mode is nothing but when to read, write, and append. So let me open this, and my file is located in one of the folder G Python tutorials and string operations. So let me pick up this particular file. So one important note is that you need to put those inside the code. Single or double quote does not matter, and the file name is strings.csv, right? As I said, we need to, the next argument is the mode. So I'll type R. So let me run it. I'm sure we'll encounter some issues so that we can fix it. Name R is not defined. The reason being R is not inside the code. Let me put that as well. And now let me run. Okay. So we got another error number 22. Invalid argument G is equal to blah 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 blah. The reason being, so Python has this, does not accept this backslash. So we need to convert this backslash into forward slash. How do we do that? Either you can do this manually or you can replace, find and replace. So Control R is the shortcut what I use here for PyCharm. I'll convert backslash to forward slash, then replace all, then close it. Now if I run it, this should give me an error. Okay, exit code 0. So now let me read what is there in that specific file. I'll type fn.readlines, open bracket and then close. So this particular syntax will not help. We need to print this. So let's pass this argument inside the print statement. Print the read lines. Then run. So we have month backslash n, January backslash n, and so on. So what does this backslash mean? So the backslash n means it's a new line. So the month is in first cell, it's followed by new line, January, new line, February. So there is a way to remove this new line. So in my next tutorial, I'll be helping you to remove this backslash n and write a new file. So there are other arguments as well in this. So we can print the name of the file like fn.name, then run it. So it gives you the full path, and if you want to know in which mode have you opened it, fn.mode. So these are not very important, so this is just for our reference. So it has opened in read mode. So let's see, in my next tutorial I'll teach you how do we open a file, write it, and how do we append a file to another file. So if you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you.